I got two 3D printed items in my hand. Can you guess what it is? That was the first one, and the second?
The first one is a holder for one of the items here on the shelf. You guessed it right, it's for the film, obviously. But it also fits perfectly the camera. Look how balanced it is. Why on earth would you care so much about a tape dispenser? Well, I bought this one in Japan in 7-Eleven. The design started with more of a shelf style holder, but then I thought, hey, let's make a special kind of a pocket for it. The very first version was just really tight, so it was kind of difficult to get it in and out. So I just extended the size of the pocket by 1 mm, and then I got the perfect version.
Monday morning blues, I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue.
By now, I believe you already guessed the other one because that one looks even funnier. Or I do look funny.
Another souvenir from Japan. Just sunglasses, I know. But those ones are just, again, very special to me because I feel really good wearing them.
Nothing else that I can do. You make me feel so damn good. You take me to the stars and the moon. My mind's out of balance. Heartbeats irregular.
And that's a way of giving a meaning to little things that we just love.